Alright, so today we're going to choose between adjectives and adverbs. So an adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives often tell what kind or how many. Alright, so the apples were delicious. The adjective tells what kind of apples they were. So an adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs often tell how, when, where, to what extent, or to what degree. So Grace ran really quickly. The adverb is really, tells how quickly Grace ran. Most adverbs that tell how end in ly, like the adverb quickly. So Lee. You can't always use ly to tell whether a word is an adjective or an adverb, though. She arrived soon. Soon is an adverb that doesn't end in ly. Fred has a friendly dog. Friendly is an adjective that ends in ly. So we go back up. Quan knows that finding a job after graduation can be difficult, but he is about his chances. He is about blank chances. So, based on that word he, the answer is going to be hopeful, but he is hopeful about his chances. So, the adjective hopeful is the best word to complete the sentence. Quan knows that finding a job after graduation can be difficult, but he is hopeful about his chances. So, hopefully is an adverb, hopeful is an adjective. So, the word he is a pronoun, so it must be described or modified by an adjective.